Okay, here's the little song I just wrote it about what happened to me. Just like old brother, where art thou? I got flooded out. Yeah, old Buckhorn Lake, every time it would storm, oh, that water got closer. We headed for high ground. Finally, it was no use. We just had to move out. But anyway, now it makes me cry every time I see it rain. I had to leave my mountain home. Those valleys and mountains no more to roam. Those waters from old Buckhorn got closer each time this storm. I cry each time I see the rain. It matches the tears on the window pane. I cry, oh Lord, hide my shame, so I won't cry from the rain. I had to leave my mountain home. Those valleys and hills no more to roam. Those waters from old Buckhorn got closer each time there was storm. I cry each time I see the rain. It matches the tears on the window pane. I cry, oh Lord, hide my shame,